Across Maryland, data centers are becoming one of the most debated forms of development. Prince George's County now stands at a turning point. This brief looks at how these facilities affect our energy grid, our water systems, and the balance between economic opportunity and community well-being. The goal is simple: to make sure growth benefits residents, not just investors. Nationwide, electricity used by data centers is expected to double by 2030, driven by cloud computing and artificial intelligence. Loudoun County in Virginia already leads the nation, but its grid is maxed out, pushing developers toward Maryland. That pressure is now arriving here, and it brings both jobs and serious infrastructure costs. Pepco has warned that most areas inside the Beltway have very little remaining power capacity. WSSC Water says only a few Category 3 service zones can even support cooling demand. Upgrading both systems could cost hundreds of millions of dollars, costs that might ultimately reach local ratepayers. Data centers do generate taxes, but the long-term job numbers are surprisingly small, maybe 40 to 50 permanent workers per site. Meanwhile, neighboring states have seen electric bills rise as utilities expand capacity. These projects also clash with the county's Plan 2035 goal for walkable, mixed-use redevelopment. The 87-acre Bright Seat site, the former Landover Mall next to FedEx Field, is the largest active proposal in Prince George's County. In March 2024, the Planning Board approved a 3-parcel plan for about 4 million square feet of data center space, but an earlier developer booklet from February shows something much larger: a 5-building, full-site build-out. Those 5 buildings could require up to 350 megawatts of power and nearly 800,000 gallons of water every day. The February booklet predates the public hearing, meaning residents may not have seen the full scope. That's why disclosure and phased review are so important. Everyone should know what's really being proposed. Two county leaders have spoken clearly on this issue. Chair Jolene Ivey said major projects must benefit existing residents, not just outside investors. Councilmember Shayla Adams Stafford said we need to answer the unknowns: power, water, jobs, and environmental impact before moving forward. Their messages echo a growing call for transparency and accountability. The Bright Seat site could host other industries that create real local employment. An AI healthcare campus could bring 2,000 to 3,000 high-skilled jobs using just a fraction of the power. A clean energy innovation hub could do the same while supporting Maryland's climate goals. Compared with data centers, these alternatives offer far higher community returns. The findings are straightforward. 1. Grid and water capacity are already tight. 2. The county has no enforceable performance standards. 3. The Bright Seat case shows serious disclosure gaps. 4. Local leaders want resident-first growth. And 5. We have viable technology alternatives. To move forward responsibly, we need 6 actions. 1. Require full phasing disclosure. 2. Adopt performance standards for power, water, and noise. 3. Verify infrastructure capacity independently. 4. Share revenues with local communities. 5. Attract AI healthcare and clean energy employers. And 6. Strengthen public engagement with at least 60 days of notice before hearings. In conclusion, data centers can be part of our digital future, but only if the county manages them wisely. Transparency, fairness, and community benefit must come first. Smart digital growth means safe power, sustainable water, and strong neighborhoods. That's the vision at the heart of this briefing, and it's how we can secure Prince George's County's future.